I don't know. Connected pa rin siya sa CPS, di ba?
Kasama ko sa kanila guys sa Sunday.
Tayo wala mo magulan.
Wait, wait,
Yan
wait.
po.
Matawag sa ako yung extension coordinator.
Wala na si ma'am.
Magbalik daw ng mga... Magbalik din. Shen, magbalik din daw kasi kami doon, Shen.
Oo, stress. Wait, paano ba
Stress
yan?
naman.
Kung magalis na kami. Sila na lang estudyante.
Siya na,
Wait lang. Akala ko video conference.
Balikan pa. Saan na yung boyfriend ko?
Sino yung interview natin ngayon?
Dito yung kanina, pero wala na ngayon.
Sino yung
Now,
interview
please
natin?
everyone settle down. Go. Settle down everyone. Clear.
Ballpen tsaka paper.
Ayaw ba page break?
Students. Uy! Listen up. Saan may papel mo? Isa na lang din. May mga kayo mo dyan.
Ito.
Guys, gamitin nyo to, guys.
Ay,
Nako.
OMG.
Hello? Saan na tayo boyfriend na yan?
Ay, ito pa sa buong
Stress din siya kakahanap.
paano mo na excuse mo naman?
Now, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we will be, since the first presenter is already done in the presentation, we will be continuing in poetry techniques. Do you have an idea of what is poetry techniques? If you have, let's define what is poetry first. Anyone from the class? What is poetry?
Compose of rhymes, scheme,
Figurative languages.
Yes, that is correct. Now, since you have these prior knowledge on what is the definition of poetry, and do you have any idea on how to create a poetry? Have you ever encountered or experienced such experiences?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's have an activity. Let's first define the languages, poem techniques that you can find in this short passage in the poem, The Ode to a Nightingale. It was written by John Keats.
Yes.
Mati ha?
One,
You can read it.
two, one, two, three, go. Ode to a Nightingale by John Keats. Fade far away, dissolve and quite forget. And thou among the leaves hast never the weariness and fever and the fret. Here where men sings and hear each other roam, where pulse shakes a few sad blessed grey hairs, where youth grows pale and the spectre dies.
Louder!
Where but to think is to full of sorrow, and leading eye despairs, where beauty cannot give her lustrous eyes, or new love find at them yet tomorrow.
Can you find any or what do you observe in this short passage or the second stanza in the poem Ode to a Nightingale? What did you say earlier? This Benigit is correct, and we also have that here. Rhyme scheme. Yes, we have rhyme scheme. And what is the rhyme scheme in this word? Or this word?
No. A, B, A, B.
Yes.
B, C, D,
You
C.
can use your phone if you don't have any pen. We don't only have these rhyme scheme, we have the rhyme, or we have the rhyme, not only the rhyme scheme. And we also have these figurative languages we created in poetry, right?
Yes,
The what's
ma'am.
passing BB is the poem, poetry, or figurative languages in this.
We have imagery.
Yes,
Metaphor.
yes, that's correct. Are you already done? Have you written your answer? If yes, then let's check your answer. This is the techniques in this web. First, we have the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme here is A B A B C D E C D E.
Yes, ma'am.
You get it right?
Yes.
Very good. And then we have the figurative or figure of speech, A, personification. Beauty cannot keep her lustrous eyes. Beauty is personified. And the metaphor is little eye spears. Sorrow is described as 80 eyes. And the alliteration is faint far, expected feet. Do you get it?
Yes,
ma'am. Very good. And we have this surah. Pause within a line. For youth grew pale and expected feeds and dies. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The dash is a strong pause. This is the strong pause. There's a juncture in between these words. Or you want two words that is connected to each other. And then we have the enjambment. Line continues without pause. Do you write enjambment in your paper?
No, ma'am.
No. It's okay, but enjambment is the line continues without pause. Are you familiar with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.
Then this is the example from the short passage is fade far away, dissolve and quite forget. What thou among leaves has never known. The thought flows from line 1 into line 2. We don't have pauses in these sentences. And then we also have the repetition. Do you observe that there are the repetition in the passages?
Yes.
There are the word where was repeated a few times.
Yes.
And then we have the parallelism. We have the structural repetition, where palsy shades, where youth grow pale, where beauty cannot kill. We have the parallelism, where. Do you get it? Very good. This creates a balanced rhythm. And we have the last thing is we have understatement. The line where but to think is full of sorrow is a calm but powerful way to express overwhelming despair. Like it's exaggerated. Do you get it? Now, do you all understand the definition of the
Yes, ma'am.
techniques that we have just discussed?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Now we have another activity. Create a short poem while applying the techniques we just learned and presented in front. I'll be giving you 5 minutes.
Iharap ko sa inyo.
You should please give an analytical script like the ABCD, the rhyme scheme we did earlier. Sabi naman sila, hindi na nila ako. It's over. You're done? Then, please present it in front.
This
Use it.
pindot ba tayo?
Yep.
Malata.
It's working. It's working. It's working.
Ah, okay. This poem is entitled
Whispers of the Night.
The moonlight dances on the silver sea. A quiet song it hums for me. The stars are candles in the sky, blinking slowly, blinking shy. The wind whispers through the trees, speaks soft secrets on the breeze. Night wraps the earth in velvet black, with dreams tucked gently in its sack. The clouds are ships that drift on air, sailing slow without a care. The owl blinks once, wise as the moon, singing of shadows that ghosts into. The world sleeps on the hush and race, while stars write poems across space. And I, a dreamer wide awake, touch each dream tonight awake. We used here the AAB writes. AAB.
And then you also use a figurative languages and moments.
Yes, like simile, metaphor, personification, and imagery.
Thank you. Please take your seat.
Yes.
Do you all understand the techniques that we have just discussed today?
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope that you can take it to ways.
Yes.
And bring it into your home, the knowledge that I've shared with you. Then
Yes,
thank you
ma'am.
everyone. Then class is